everyone, and welcome back to English Progress Hub. My name is Alice.
And I'm Will. It's great to be with you today. We received some feedback that you want more content, so here we are.
That's right. Today, we are going to expand on a very important topic: how to talk about yourself.
When you meet someone new, the conversation usually starts with some basic questions. We will cover these basics first, and then we will move on to more detailed and interesting topics. So let's start at the very beginning. The question is, what is your name?
A classic. And the answer is simple. You can say, "My name is Alice," or more informally, "I'm Alice. What about you, Will?"
I'm Will. Easy. A common mistake to avoid here is saying, my name is of Will, and the correct version is, my name is Will.
Good tip. Okay, after the name, what's next? Usually, where are you from?
Exactly, you can answer. I'm from Poland or I'm from Warsaw. It depends on whether you want to give your country or your city. I'm from London.
And I'm from Manchester. So, for our listeners, you can practice now. Say it out loud: "I'm from," and add your city.
Great idea. Okay, so we have name and location. Now for the third big question, what do you do? This question means, what is your job?
Right? So, you can answer with "I'm a," and then your profession. For example, "I'm a teacher."
And I'm a graphic designer. Other examples could be I'm a student, I'm a doctor, or if you don't have a job right now, you can say I'm currently unemployed, or I'm looking for a job.
That's very useful. So, let's do a quick recap of the basics: name, origin, job. For example, "Hello, I'm Alice. I'm from Manchester. And I'm a teacher." Your turn, Will.
Hi, I'm Will. I'm from London and I'm a graphic designer. Perfect. Now let's make the conversation more interesting. Let's talk about free time and hobbies.
My favorite part. The question could be, what do you do in your free time? Or, what are your hobbies?
I love this question because it shows your personality. I would say in my free time, I like playing the guitar and reading books. What about you, Alice?
I enjoy hiking and watching movies. To talk about hobbies, you can use "I like" or "I enjoy." For example, "I like swimming," or "I enjoy cooking." Notice the ing at the end of the verb.
That's an important grammar point. You can also use other phrases. For example, I'm interested in photography or I'm a big fan of football.
Let's give some more examples. "Will, are you a fan of cooking?"
Not really. I can say, I don't like cooking very much. It's also important to know how to say you don't like something.
True. You can say "I don't like" or "I'm not a fan of." So let's move to another fun topic that often comes up: favorites. People love asking about your favorite things.
Oh, yes. For example, what's your favorite food? My favorite food is definitely pizza. I could eat it every day.
Haha, me too. My favorite food is also pizza. What about music? What kind of music do you like?
I'm a big fan of rock music. I love bands from the 80s. What about you, Alice?
I prefer pop music, something I can dance to. So you see, you can talk about food, music, movies, books, seasons. For example, my favorite season is autumn because I love the colors of the leaves.
And my favorite season is summer because I love the long, sunny days. This is a great way to keep the conversation going. So far, we have basics, hobbies, and favorites. What else can we add, Alice?
How about family and pets? People often ask, do you have any siblings? Which means brothers or sisters.
Good one. I have one older sister. Her name is Sarah.
And I'm an only child, which means I don't have any brothers or sisters.
And what about pets? People love their pets. The question is, do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. I have a cat named Luna. She's black and very lazy. Do you have any pets, Will?
I don't have any pets right now, but I would love to get a dog one day.
I would love to. That's a perfect transition to our final topic, future plans or dreams.
Exactly. It shows your ambitions and what you look forward to. For example, I can say, I want to learn how to speak Spanish.
That's a great goal. A question could be, what is something you would like to do in the future? My answer would be, I would like to travel to Japan one day. I am very interested in Japanese culture.
Wow, that was a lot of information. Let's do a final big role play. Alice, let's pretend we are new colleagues at work, meeting for the first time. You start.
Okay. Hi, I'm Alice. It's nice to meet you.
Hi, Alice. I'm Will. Nice to meet you too. So, what do you do here?
I'm a project manager. This is my first week. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. I've been here for 2 years. Welcome to the team. So, where are you from?
I'm from Manchester. And you?
I'm from London. So, what do you like to do in your free time? To relax after work?
I'm a big fan of hiking. I love being in nature. I also have a cat, Luna, who keeps me busy. What about you?
I enjoy playing the guitar. And my dream is to learn Spanish one day.
That sounds amazing.
And scene, you see? We used all the elements we talked about today. It creates a full, interesting conversation.
Your homework for this week is to create your own longer introduction. Try to include all the topics, basics, hobbies, favorites, family, and a future goal.
Write it down in the comments below. We would love to read about you. That's all the time we have for today's extended episode. We hope it was helpful.
Thanks for tuning in to English Progress Hub. Join us next time for more. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.